The first group of hatchlings from endangered sea turtle eggs, brought from beaches along the northern U.S. Gulf Coast, was released into the Atlantic Ocean off NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida on July 11th. 22 Kemp's ridley turtles were set free on a Kennedy Space Center Canaveral National Seashore beach. The release and relocation work is part of an effort by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, the National Park Service, NOAA, and conservationists to help minimize the risk to this year's sea turtle hatchlings from the impact of the BP Deepwater Horizon oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. This plan involves carefully moving an anticipated 700 nests deposited on Florida Panhandle and Alabama beaches during the next several months. Once collected, the Kemp's ridley nest from Walton County, Florida, was individually packed in a styrofoam box with sand and transported by a specially equipped truck to a secure climate-controlled facility at Kennedy, where it was monitored until incubation was complete. The Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge is located inside Kennedy. The video includes interior of the hatchery and nest at Kennedy on July 9th.
See how it's kind of getting that star shape? They're doing even more now. So
the bib is full when the star.
So this one's different than that one even too. So, and we would expect the temperature in here to be a little bit higher because they're wrestling around.
Nest temperature.
Yes. Okay. And then we just hope that all these probes work.
It's getting warmer. Do you think it's the daytime?
Mm-hmm.
Are they going to continue to move during the day?
They might. They should be moving kind of like off and on all the time. So I'm getting 27.1. What did I have earlier? Just
26.9.
Okay, yeah, good. Okay. All right.
So we'll only keep that on.
I don't think there's no way that these turtles are going to get out. They're too small and they're too deep in the box. So we don't need to do this. But typically, we will do it. For the when the loggerheads come, they're probably going to have sand up to here.
Okay, the loggerheads.
And once they get in there and they start walking on each other, they may be able to, get a huge bunch of them come up at the same time. They'll be crawling in over the top. So that's when we have to do that. I was doing it to kind of have it as a thing we normally would do, but I don't think it's necessary for these two guys.
What would loggerhead be?
Okay. CC Leptocheles kempi, Chelonia mitis, and then Dermocheles coriaceae. This is the leatherback, green Kemp's loggerhead.
Okay.
And so we'll get a few of these, very few of these, and tons of those.
Okay.
Okay. Tonight we'll take the hatchlings and put them in here. We'll reduce the amount of sand because it's too heavy.
Okay.
We'll put them in here and we'll take them to the beach in this. Okay.
The live ones?
Yes. So they're in it. And actually this morning, they came up this morning, like all of a sudden for some reason they came up during the day. We can't have them wandering around and expending all their energy. So we're going to put them in here. Right this minute, we would put them in here, we would cover it, and we would make it dark, and they would calm
Go
down.
back to sleep.
Here also.
Where?
Help me.
Here?
Right here.
Okay.
Yeah, so we would anticipate 25 in here, and I think there's 39 in there. Something
That's
like
so
that.
amazing. There's some 39.
They're very tiny. Yeah, so nobody in here wants to think about stuff yet, but that's a very, very positive. Everybody's looking forward to this
Good
one making
stuff.
it. So this is the very first Gulf Coast nest from the Deepwater Horizon oil spill. And the sign that these animals are starting to pip and come and prepare to emerge over the next 2 days is very big good news.
Good.
This means they survived the excavation process, they survived the trip across the state of Florida, they made it into our facility, and they are doing what they normally would do, and this is just great.
Tough
Good
guys.
stuff.
Very strong.
It's two tables, it's one continuous piece.
Okay.
We should be able to pick it up,
Is it,
but
when
not
you
yet.
picked it up before, is it flimsy in the middle or is it pretty solid?
All I know is that Here's how it actually usually works. You see Come on, guys. Yeah. Yeah. See here? Size-wise. They're really dark.
Yeah, they are. Come on.
Let's see.
Silhouette-y.
So he's got good rigor. See that? I mean, he's getting that thing going on there. He's. Yeah, it would have been. It's. Now this guy's a little concave, but yeah, it would be coming right through here. And it closes up, and now it's in here. If you were to open it up, there would be a yolk in there about this big. Yeah, I think we should give this a shot because they're unique.
Yeah.
Those just came up today, right? So were any of those up today when you
Like there was 2 heads.
Let's go in there. It gives you pushback, you know, hanging out. Sometimes you'll see a little bit of material hanging out, but
You
he's
still
moving
take 'em?
normally. I
Give a
probably
10?
would, you know, if he's kind of still not moving very much, and so the next few.
Wow, that was a lot. 22. It was 17
Excellent.
today.
So 22, and then we have 13 that have come up already. All right. That's who's going with us tonight. And I'll get the data sheet going. If you want to walk that over somewhere where you can maybe put it on the other table on the way out, or at the end of this table. And we'll make, no, actually, we don't have to do that. That's okay. This is. Yeah, that's okay. No. That's fine. Uh-huh. Okay, we're on our way. We're going to bring them. Okay? All right, we're on our way. Okay, John, bye. Can you see? If they don't, we're going to put them in the water. That's just wet right there, right? Oh, it's tracks. Okay.
So you can see the water there. Wow. 22.
Oh, excellent.
Neato.
Okay, you guys ready for a swim? Was that the entire
Pretty
nest?
dark.
22?
No, no, there's more. They're just not ready yet. So what do you think, John? They look a little loggerheady, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
But they're really dark. See how dark black they are?
Cool.
Okay, well,
Shadows are not in the
well, it's
shot.
Let's see what we can do. Let's see what happens. Now we can take some out too. Let's see if we get a little inspiration from that.
You said even had your heads poked out?
Not too excited yet. Have you gotten really excited?
Okay, guys, let's go.
Let's give it a few minutes here. That's good.
Mark? Set?
Logger. But it's the first one I've seen back, so.
Oh, is that right?
It's good, because we're going to need
Come on, babies.
There they go.
There's some. So is the tide coming in? See that? It's coming in. Right up there.
The one behind, right behind.
Yeah, I saw that.
Seem to be washing back in.
I just brought it. Well, we need to wash for about 10 minutes and make sure everybody's kosher. High five.
Yay!
Oh, that's awesome.
It's a good. They all really good.
Well,